Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Gather materials first using one sheet of 8, 5 by 11-inch cardstock, one glue stick, and a 3.5-inch ribbon for the basic card. Plan a folded 5 by 8, 5-inch card and mark a light pencil crease before decorating to keep edges straight. Choose one palette of 3 colors to create a cohesive look, then prepare scissors, a 12-inch ruler, and a craft knife on a safe cutting mat. Lay out scraps and decorations so you can assemble without searching. Score the center with a ruler and bone folder to create a clean fold along the 5.5-inch midpoint, which prevents cracking and keeps the card flat. Cut a front panel at 4 by 6 inches, then glue a 1/2-inch border of contrasting paper around that panel to form a frame. Glue a 4 by 6-inch photo or panel centered inside and press for 30 seconds to set. Add the 3.5-inch ribbon across the top and trim excess cleanly with scissors. Write a heartfelt message of 2 to 4 sentences using a dark pen or brush marker for legibility and to avoid bleed through thin paper. Practice the layout on scrap paper, then copy the final text slowly, keeping line lengths under 40 characters for neatness. Add small embellishments like 3 sequins or a 1-inch paper flower for texture, attaching with glue dots. Seal the finished card in a 6 by 9-inch envelope and hand deliver or mail with proper postage and a return address.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.